my foodies, and welcome back to Clarissa's Kitchen. Today I'm sharing with you a quick and simple breakfast recipe that is a protein-packed pancake cereal bites. Now I know this is a recipe made viral a year or two ago, but I thought I'd bring it back because protein pancakes is like a staple item in the house. We have it at least every other week or try to do it every week because it's so simple to make, but I thought why not bring some more creativity and a twist to it by making them into small miniature bite-sized pieces. Now we're going to be making two variations of this gluten-free and vegetarian pancake cereal bites. One that's vanilla flavored and one that's chocolate. Whether you have it for breakfast or if you're just hungry for a snack right before your workout or post-workout, this is a great recipe to meal prep for the week so that way you have it on hand, whether you serve it with a glass of like almond milk or oat milk, or if you drench some maple syrup over it. It's definitely a crowd favorite in the house, and I can't believe how simple the ingredients are. So these are staple items that you guys have in your pantry and kitchen that you can whip all together. You could choose your favorite type of protein powder and jazz it up with all these different flavors. And if you haven't followed me on my social media platforms, you can find me at Clarissa's Kitchen, where I post daily recipes on Instagram and TikTok. Make sure, if you haven't done so already, to subscribe right down below, turn on those notification bells, and give this video a thumbs up as I post videos almost every single week. And now without further ado, let's begin the recipe. Let's start by making the vanilla flavored protein pancake batter. In a blender, add 1 ripe banana, 1 cup gluten-free oats, 1 scoop of your favorite vanilla protein, ½ cup of almond milk or oat milk if you're nut-free, 1 egg, 1 scoop of collagen. This is totally optional, but hey, boost of collagen is always great. 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, dash of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend until well combined, and I'm using my favorite squeeze bottles from the brand OXO, which you've seen me rave about their products for quite some time in my videos. Then for the chocolate flavored protein pancake batter, add all the same ingredients with the addition of 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder for that chocolatey taste. If you don't have cocoa powder, you can also substitute the vanilla protein for chocolate protein instead. Like we did earlier, add the pancake batter into the squeeze bottle. If you don't have a squeeze bottle, I would recommend using a measuring cup with a spout that can easily pour out. Then it's time for the fun part. In a large pan, bring to medium-high heat and start going around squeezing quarter-sized dots with a little space. Once the sides start to bubble, and you can also check by using a spatula to see if this easily moves around, then flip and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. By the way, the full recipe is listed in the description box below, as well as the majority of the links to the products I'm using in this video. Time for the chocolate pancake cereal. This came out way better than the vanilla flavor in my opinion. I think the cocoa powder gave it a nice gloss to both sides once cooked. But I'm also biased because I love chocolate, and if you're a fan too, hit the thumbs up while you're at it. And look how easy these are. I also store these in a tightly sealed container and meal prep them for the week. Whether it's adding maple syrup, almond milk, or both, it's so fun to eat. And remember, it's gluten-free and highly packed with protein and collagen. And there you have it, my foodies. Those are my easy pancake cereal bites that is protein-packed, gluten-free, and very easy to make with simple ingredients. I hope you guys enjoy making this at home and bringing some healthy carbs and meal prepping to the week. If you guys make this recipe, make sure that you comment down below and let me know which variations that you tried with this pancake recipe. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe before you leave. Turn on this notification bell so you're alerted for the next video that I post. And I'll see you guys next time in Clarissa's Kitchen. Bye!